Are you ready to ready? Ready, sweet.
Ready? Where's your ouch? This one? Oh. You blow. Yan, puntahan kita ha. Sir Constancio. Constancio. Sana ba yan? Yan, andito ako sa iyo, Sir Constancio. Yan, dikit na po ako sa inyo, sir. Dito ako sa Tara, biyahe po. Manila kayo. Sir Constancio, nandito ako sa iyo ha. Sa Tara, biyahe, Manila. Ang init. Pinagpawisan ang aking TLs. Thank you, Sir Constancio. Yan, panoorin ko yung video nyo. Mag-comment na lang po ako dito ha. Sa Tara Biyahe po, Manila. Salamat po, Sir Constancio. Thank you po. What age do the children start to learn English in the Philippines? They seem to speak between you. Yes. Now, the kids now is very fluent in English. Not like me. I'm not fluent in English. My English is broken. Yes. Because the influence of YouTube and the gadget and the TV, television, that's why they know how to speak English now. I think 3 years old, they are learning to speak English. They are more fluent than me. The kids now. No, the children now. Diba ang galing na ni Sir? Magagaling pa nga yung mga bata sa akin mag-English eh. Init kayo, mainit. Pinapawisan yung aking legs. Legs. Thank you, Ma'am Inday. Yan si Ma'am Inday pala, hindi ko pa napanood ang iyong video, Ma'am Inday. Sige, panoorin ko yung iyong mga video, Ma'am Inday, ha. Thank you, Ma'am Inday. Thank you, ha. Yes. Some, now, before, we are talking Tagalog. We are using Tagalog. But now, it's more on English. The kids here now. Yes, we all hip them if they talk. Yes, in tourism. Yes, sir. Yeah, I encounter some of my children is studying at public school. When you go there, some of the children are talking, but they are talking, no, speaking English, not Bisaya. English and Bisaya and English. They are very fluent in English. Langga Sweet said. Thank you, ha. Di pa pala ako mag-try nga ako ng tawag dito, mag-highlights tayo.